Yes, so this is a part 5 of solving basic Python questions, but in this video we will be not solving any Python basic questions, the programming questions, but we will be building a project, and the project is calculator. So we will be seeing a code how to build a calculator based on a Python code. Okay, let's start how to build the program. So first I'll mark down the project name. Calculator using Python. Yes. So first I'll start by taking input from a user for the number 1 and number 2. So num1 is equals to integer. We are using the integer data type as an input from a user. Input enter first number number 2 is equals to int enter second number. Enter second number. Yes. So the calculator includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we are asking the user, so what is the operation whether he or she want to choose. So I will name it as choice. Choice is equals to enter the operation you wanna perform. Yes. Yes. So here instead of giving as a variable, let me print it, and then next print one for addition, and then let me provide a addition symbol here. Next print okay, the program started running. Okay, print 2 for subtraction, and I'll provide a minus symbol here. Print 3 for multiplication, and then print 4 for division. So I'll provide a division symbol here. The divided symbol is, yeah, yes. So the next is choice. Choice is equals to input enter the choice you wanna perform. Okay, and okay, so we have already given enter the operation you wanna perform. So it will be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So the user will either select 1, 2, 3, 4. So okay, select the choice. Let me give it as select the choice. Select the choice. Okay, so first let us run the program, and then we'll forward continue the program by again coding the remaining part. Okay, let me press enter. So it is asking for first number 2. Okay, what is this? I'll press enter. 1 second. Let me press 1, enter. It is asking for enter second number 4. It is asking for enter operation choice you wanna perform, plus addition. Yeah, I guess it's perfect. Okay. Okay. So yes, if choice, choice, if choice is equal to 1, in the sense addition. If it is addition, we print it as number 1, which is this one, number 1, plus number 2. Yes, LF choice is equal to, okay, LF choice is equal to 2. We print number 1 minus number 2. Yes, so we repeat the same for everything. LF, yes, I guess it would give an indentation error. Yes, so to avoid the indentation error, after F, below the F, you need to present all this if, elif, elif and elf. So this becomes easier to code without a problem, yeah. So after elif, there shouldn't be the semicolon 1. If choice is equal to 2, print number 1 minus number 2, else. Elif choice is equal to 3, which is multiplication. We print it as number 1 multiplied by number 2. Yes. Yeah. So the next is division. LF choice is equal to 4. Okay, 4. And then for division, if the number is 0, the division by 0 is 0. So we need to use this condition. If number 2 is equal to okay, if number 2 is not equal to 0, you can print it as, you can print number 1 divided by number 2. Yeah, and then yes, so the last else, you can print it as, if other than multiplication, subtraction, division, or other operation choice, something like modulus, floor division, or exponential, so we can, if the user input provides these choices, so we can print it as invalid user input. Better we can print it as invalid operational choice. Yeah, invalid. Yeah, so okay, so if else, so after if, I guess we need to provide else here, and then we need to print it as Yeah, so if the user provides not 0, so this operation will be done, which is number 1 by number 2, else we need to print it as division by 0 is not allowed. Yeah, we can print it as division by 0 is not allowed, and then you can provide the else condition here. So let us keep it, yeah, else we can print it as invalid operational choice. If the user inputs other than addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, we print it as invalid operation. Yeah, invalid operation. Yeah, so let the print be in the brackets. Yes, so yes, I guess let's run the program. Yeah, enter first number 4 6. It is asking for the operational choice. Let me provide addition. Select the choice 1. Invalid operation. Yes, so I guess I need to give this number in a string. So if number 1, number 2, so I'm giving it in a double quotes, which is considered as a string, which shows the sequence of characters. Yeah, so let's see whether this works. Now I'll run the program. 4 6, I mean 4 2 4. Select the choice 1. Yeah, so 4 plus 2 is 6. Yeah, okay. So to make it better, I'll give it as result. Result. Yeah, result result. Okay, comma, comma, and then I'll provide you a result. Double quotes, comma. Okay, yeah. So I'll give the input as 6 8. So it is asking whether I should perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So I want to perform addition, so I'll press 1, enter. So the result is 14. 8 plus 6 is 14. Yeah, I'll run the program again. Number 1 is 6, number 2 is 9. So it is asking for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I'll provide number 2. Yeah, so the answer of 6 minus 9 is minus 3. I'll run the program again. Number 1, number 2 is asking for the operation. I'll provide 3. So Where did I go wrong again? Yes, yes. So I'll run the program again. There was no error in the program. 4, 5. So I want to perform multiplication. So I'll give it as 3. So 4 5s are 20 is the answer. So I'll give it as 6. I'll give it as 3. So I want to perform division, which is 4. I'll provide number 4, enter. So the result is 2. Yeah. So shift plus enter. Let me provide an invalid operation. So for example, I'll be providing raised to the power. No, okay. Enter number 1, number 2. So it is asking for addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. So I wanna perform exponential, which is cube. So I'll press enter, so it gives invalid operation. Yeah. So this was a program for creating a calculator using Python. The entire code is being run on Jupyter Notebook. Thank you.